So are you thinking of moving to or within San Antonio, Texas? Well, in this video, we're going to take you on a property tour of a home I just listed in Northwest San Antonio. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, master bedroom downstairs, huge game room upstairs. Let's get started right now. Welcome to the channel. I am Kathy Tate, a licensed realtor here in San Antonio, Texas and surrounding areas. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to know everything there is to know about living in San Antonio, eating, working, sleeping, subscribe below, tap the notification bell, and you'll be the first to know about the current market in San Antonio, Texas. Thank you for tuning into the channel today. I hope I've shared some information with you that you can use. I hope you enjoyed your property tour. If you have any questions concerning this property or would like to visit with this property, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, all in the description below, and I'm happy to assist you with making this home your family home.